Mom, go. Who let the dogs out?
Me?
Yeah.
Ande.
No.
Ande. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Look at Carla's like, what, Grandma, are you doing?
Who let the dogs
Huh? What's
out?
Grandma doing to you, huh? Babe, dance
Who
too.
let the dogs out?
Honey, dance.
Oh.
Say hi to your sister, Auntie Sandy. She's probably going to watch this.
That's enough. Let's see what ridiculous thing you take.
Cara, do something. Say hi.
Say
Say hi, everybody.
What? Oh.
What is Dad doing? How heavy is it?
Oi, this thing more heavy than my
Oh, would you
suitcase.
put bottles of water in there?
No. Stop it. Ande.
Well, you have to be in some videos. Right?
Crazy ones.
Yeah.
Like you doing the Mexican water
Oh
dance.
my God. Cara, we'll let you know when you're 18 how you're made. It was the Mexican water dance. You were made in Mexico.
Is that thing still running?
Yeah?
Ba-boom.
Yeah. It's only a minute video. I'll make it longer.
Huh?
Yeah.
That only lasted a minute?
That was only a minute and a half.
Oh.
Yeah, so do some more dancing. Ooh, let the dogs out. Ooh. You think we're crazy, huh? Are we crazy? Your mama and grandma crazy. Oh, you want to see yourself. She always wants to see herself.
I know.
But you'll see it when we're done. You see it when you're older.
Say bye-bye. Bye, Grandpa.
Say bye-bye, Grandpa.
Bye.
Bye.
See if she does it.
Say bye, Grandpa.
Bye.
Bye,
Grandpa
Carl.
give you Cheetos and Jello.
I'll see you
Huh?
later.
Say bye-bye, Grandpa. Eat chicken. Eat your chicken, Car.
Okay, let's see the ridiculous thing.
All right.